Okay, hey guys, got my package for Blackriver ramps. Just gonna do an unboxing. Let's get a sharper knife. Okay, packaging. Okay, so I ordered a Blackriver ramps box 3, I believe. No ref on the bottom, so I need to put my own non-slide. I got, okay, it's actually a booklet. Their new catalogue, I believe, their latest one. I've got this magazine. Receipt. My wax, my bonsai concrete. There's bonsai on it. Okay, and here's my bonsai concrete. High to low I ordered. Just going to do an unboxing of this as well. Okay, it's my bonsai, high to low, low to high, whatever you want to call it. Looks very nice. I like it a lot. I'll be making a lot of videos with that. And stickers. I got a massive green bonsai concrete sticker. Blackriver ramp sticker. Fingerboard magazine sticker, an Elias A. Smith sticker, and a skateboard sticker, and another one of these random stickers, some disco thing. Okay, thanks guys. I'm Albie, please subscribe.